So welcome back everybody to the Mallard 5 Farmhouse. I've been away due to the holidays and covering overtime at work, and things have been pretty hectic around here. But I wanted to show you one of my favorite Christmas presents that I've ever gotten, and I got it from my mom and dad. And Mom and Dad, you nailed it on the head. So let me show you. Okay, for those of you who don't know, this is a Category 1 3-point quick hitch, and my parents bought this for me from Rural King for 90 bucks, and I've read mixed reviews on it. I've read where some guys are having trouble with them. They're not, they say, built strong enough. Other guys love them. So I'll give you my honest review after I use it a little bit. But if you don't know how this works, I'm going to set it up now. Basically, it makes the hooking up and disconnecting of your implements a whole lot quicker and easier. Okay, so the first implement I'm going to get set up for this quick hitch is going to be my log splitter. Now, to make it compatible with the quick hitch, you have to go and buy these bushings, quick hitch adapter bushings. And I bought 3 pairs of these for 31 bucks off eBay. That was the best price I could find. And what you do with these, we'll disconnect from this ear right here. And when I disconnect from it, I'm going to take this bushing and I'm going to pound it on the ear of this log splitter. And then it comes with a little pin I got to pound through the hole, and that'll hold it in there. So then your hooks can just come up underneath and hook right onto this bushing. So we'll go ahead and do that. Something I just noticed about this log splitter is this sticker on the side, quick hitch compatible, which I also got this log splitter from Rural King. So hopefully it makes this whole process pretty easy. I shouldn't have to do any modifications with this quick hitch. okay. As you just saw, that wasn't exactly the smoothest hookup, but there's no problems with the 3-point quick hitch. The only problem I have here is the stand for the log splitter doesn't sit up high enough. My 3-point arms don't go down that low. So all I'm going to have to do is set the front of this log splitter on a block or something. In case you didn't see it when I did it earlier, down here is a latch. When you pull this handle, the latch pulls in and will release. That way you can unhook. And all you have to do to secure this splitter into the quick hitch is just put this handle down to the inside there, and it won't pop out. Okay, so we're hooked up with the quick hitch. No modifications needed. That's great news. All I gotta do is put the front end of this up on the block, the log splitter, and I'm gonna take this log splitter out because I have some big locust rounds and Osage orange rounds that I need to split, and I'm gonna use this splitter in the vertical position for the first time. So let's go do that right now. Alright, so I got my wood split. It took me about an hour. I'm gauging by the tractor time. It went from 62 hours to 63. And man, am I glad this black diamond log splitter goes in the vertical position, because there was about 4 locust rounds that I could not pick up, and I didn't want to pick them up. So it was nice being able just to roll them over and do it in the vertical position, splitting them. That's the first time I've ever used it in the vertical position, and it worked pretty good. Once I found a log to sit on, that was a lot easier on my back. And I'm all about saving my back. But as far as the quick hitch, I think this quick hitch is going to work just fine. Some of the complaints that I've seen about the quick hitch is that the top hook is not long enough. It doesn't stick out far enough. On this log splitter, it does. Now I still have the disc, 6-foot disc that I have, and the 5-foot brush hog that I got to see what I'm going to have to do to hook them up. But I don't see any concerns so far. I saw one guy said that he twisted his up like a pretzel. I think it all comes back to how you treat it. If you take care of your stuff, it should last. So that's what I'm hoping. And if that's the case, $90 for this quick hitch is a great deal. Some of the John Deere ones I think go for $300. So hopefully this all works out, and this will be a good investment and a great gift. So thanks again, Mom and Dad. And I want to say thanks to everybody, because we've been getting a bunch of subscribers here lately. So thank you for all sticking around, subscribing, and watching us. And be sure to stay tuned, because we have a lot more coming. So until next time, everybody take care.